In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Outlook. This procedure is straightforward and will help you avoid distractions caused by constant email alerts. So, let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by finding the Outlook icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Once you've opened Outlook, you'll notice the Sign In option located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Make sure you type them correctly, then proceed to sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen once more. Here, you'll see the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. Click on that to access the settings menu. This is where you'll find the options to customize your Outlook experience. In the settings menu, you need to navigate to the General tab. This section contains several options to help you configure various aspects of Outlook. Click on General, and from here look for the option labelled Notifications. This is the critical section where you can manage your email alerts. Once you're in the Notification section, you'll see an option related to mail notifications. Simply toggle this option off. Doing so will disable email notifications, allowing you to focus on your tasks without interruptions. If you ever wish to enable notifications again in the future, you can follow these same steps and toggle the option back on. After you've made this change, it's important to save your settings to ensure your preferences are applied. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom or top of the settings page. Click on Save and your changes will be recorded. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications in Outlook. You should now find it a bit easier to concentrate without the distraction of frequent email alerts. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you decide you want to turn notifications back on at any time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day focusing on what truly matters to you.